Hey everyone, I'm out here at Highsmith Guns in Greenfield, Indiana, breaking out the AR9SD. It's a Rock River Arms 9mm AR-15. Got the Broad River Tactical SD kit. Gives you basically so you can put a MP5 SD forearm on it, and then I got their barrel, which is a compatible with the TPM Outfitters SD suppressor. This one's 12-inch, and it extends all the way down there. It's ported in the center, right past the chamber, and it captures a lot of the pressure and gas, making standard 115 grain, 124 grain subsonic. Because of the good news we received in regards to forced reset triggers, I have reacquired one. It is not yet mine. I am still negotiating a ridiculous price. Hopefully we can get it down to something a little more manageable, but I was allowed to put it in my gun and see how well it works, and we're going to do that. So here we go. Why it does that on the last round.